Welcome to Khadija's world. Today we are going to read the Berenstain Bears Lemonade Stand. It is a hot day. Brother, sister, and honey bear play outside. Mama brings them lemonade. Ah, it is good. Male bear Bob comes by. He is very hot. May I have some lemonade? He asks. I will give you a quarter. Male bear Bob drinks the lemonade. Ah, it is good. Here is your quarter, he says. Let's sell more lemonade, says brother. The cubs set up a lemonade stand. They make a sign, lemonade 25 cents. Some bears are mowing the lawn next door. They are very hot. They see the lemonade stand. We would like some lemonade, say the lawn bear. They drink it down. Oh, it is good. Their neighbor comes outside. I am having a party, she says. My guests will all want lemonade. Her guests arrive. They all drink lemonade. Ah, it is good. Some other neighbors come outside. They want lemonade too. But the cubs are running out of lemonade. Don't worry, says the neighbor. We will help. They bring out more drinks. They bring out food to eat. Some cubs come by a block party, they say. They start to play music. They start to dance. It is a big party. Farmer Ben sees the party. He has a load of things for his farm. He starts to sell food and other goods things. It is getting dark. How will the party end? Grizzly Gus has fireworks. He sets them off. They are very pretty. The party is over. Everyone goes home. The cubs take down their lemonade stand. They go inside. They are very tired. They are very hot. Mama brings them lemonade. Ah, it is good. That will be 25 cents, says Mama. They all laugh at Mama's joke. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching my video. Like, share, subscribe.